Hi, I'm Allan Pease. I'm inviting you to come to my place right here in the Budrum Sunshine Coast Rainforest in August. We're running our VIP weekend, and that weekend is devoted to human communication. We're going to teach you how to suss out other people when you're with them. Are they with you? Are they against you? And what are they thinking of you? When you're putting a proposal or an idea to them, are they buying it? Are they objecting? How can you read what can be going through their head? So we're going to talk about that and body language. We'll also talk about how to deal with, sell to, convince and persuade the opposite sex to say yes, because half the world's population is opposite sex to you, and that half of those think you've got a problem that needs counselling. So come along and we'll teach you how to communicate in such a way they think you are a winner and that they want to say yes. So if you want to get off square one, if you want to go to a new level in your life, go somewhere that you haven't been before, this is the meeting for you. August 2018 at our place right here in the rainforest, Sunshine Coast. Come along, it'll be the changing part of your life. You will love every minute. We love every minute. See you there.